Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about direct and indirect speech of exclamation. Sentence that express strong feeling or emotion is called exclamatory sentence. Exclamation mark or symbol, it is just like I and under it dot. Exclamation word wow or what or oh or also or array and etc. Conjunction word that. Already we used that in the assertive sentence also. Here also conjunction word that. Reporting verb is changed according to the emotion of the exclamatory word, like exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with surprise, and etc. Direct speech changes indirect speech. For example, serial number 1, he said, comma, inverted comma start, hurrah, and exclamatory word or exclamation word and my old friend has come, full stop and inverted commas close. It is direct speech. He said, array, my old friend has come. It is direct speech. Here the reporting part, reported verb said changes exclaimed with joy because he is got happy. So he exclaimed with joy and conjunction word is that. In the reported part, my, it is first person. So it belongs to subject or speaker, that is he in the reporting part. So my is in the possession. So he changed his. He exclaimed with joy that his old friend had come. In the direct speech, my old friend has come is in the present perfect. So it changes the indirect speech past perfect tense. So it is changed, his old friend had come and full stop. So he exclaimed with joy that his old friend had come and full stop. It is indirect speech. We need not to write exclamation word array because it is included in the exclaimed. So he exclaimed with joy that his old friend had come and full stop. Second sentence, she said comma, inverted comma start, oh, exclamation mark or symbol, and I lost my mobile. Full stop and inverted commas close. It is in the simple past tense. So it changes into past perfect tense. The reporting part, reporting verb is said. It changes exclaimed with sorrow because our mobile is lost. And conjunction word that, he exclaimed with sorrow that the reported part I, it is first person, so it belongs to subject of reporting part. Subject is here she, so we write here she had lost her mobile. She had lost her mobile is past perfect tense because in the direct speech I lost my mobile is simple past. So, she said, "Oh, I lost my mobile." It is direct speech. She exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her mobile, and full stop. It is indirect speech. Third sentence, he said, comma, the inverted commas, what a lovely garden it is, and exclamation mark. What a lovely garden it is. The reporting part said changes exclaimed with surprise, and conjunction word that a lovely garden it is. It is in the simple past. So it changes a lovely garden it is the simple present. So it changes simple past. That is, it was a very lovely garden. When it is comes in the direct speech, in the indirect speech comes very. He said, what a lovely garden it is, and exclamation mark. It is direct speech. He exclaimed with surprise that it was a very lovely garden, and full stop. It is indirect speech. Here also we don't write what because already we write exclaimed in the indirect speech. So it is he exclaimed with surprise that it was a very lovely garden, and full stop. It is indirect speech. Fourth sentence, she said, comma, the inverted commas, how fast my baby runs, and exclamation mark. It is direct speech. The indirect speech reporting word set changes exclaimed with joy, and conjunction word that. Here need not to write how already we know about that. It is included in the exclaimed. Fast my baby runs. It is simple present. So it changes simple past in the indirect speech. So she exclaimed with joy that her baby ran very fast. Her baby ran very fast is simple past because the direct speech is in the simple present. He said, "How fast my baby runs." Direct speech changes she exclaimed with joy that her baby ran very fast. It is indirect speech. We must practice with useful sentences to improve our speaking knowledge. Thank you.